In theory, everyone loves MDF, Marketing Development Funds. All the big vendors from Microsoft right down the entire channel have millions and millions and millions of dollars available to you. It's free money because they will give it to you to do marketing with. And that's the theory of MDF. Why wouldn't you want some of that? I'll tell you why. There's a massive caveat that goes with it. You see, some vendors insist that you spend it in very specific ways. They want you to promote a certain product or service of those, or you have to spend it on a certain campaign. They're a bit of a control freak about it. I believe that MDF is better spent on general marketing. Because after all, if you put a vendor's product into your general tech stack, then of course the sales of that product are going to go up as you onboard new clients. So I would look for MDF from vendors who understand this. They understand that putting their logo on your marketing does not make your marketing stronger. That's what you're looking for when it comes to MDF. But don't be put off by it, because remember, there's millions and millions and millions of free dollars for you just sitting out there. Watch another super speedy tip on marketing your MSP by clicking one of these. And if you click subscribe as well, I'll get your name tattooed on my bicep. No, not really.